American history has a lot of stuff that they don't tell you about. So, we're at Captain Jack's Stronghold. Natural lava fortress that was once on the shores of Tule Lake in Northern California. Let's check out the lake. um, there's no lake out there anymore. Because after the government took control of the land, they drained the lake to make fertile land for homesteaders out there. Let's go see what this natural lava fortress looks like. See, all Captain Jack really wanted. What you doing over there, little buddy? He's been walking the trail with me. We've been hanging out. But all Captain Jack wanted was reservation land for his people. And the US government said no. Whoa. Whoa. Somebody lived in there years ago. So neat. Just realized that I walked past that as well. Wow. So many times that I wish that I was a kid. I'd crawl around in that. Man. This definitely is a fortress. Just made out of the natural lava rocks. So neat. Captain Jack and his people, they fought off 20 different cavalry assaults. 20 different times. The army tried to come and evict them. In the end, Captain Jack was captured and hung. It was less than 20 years later that there was no more lake out there. Incredible. So I thought this was just going to be another like little divot. But it actually opens up. Wow. This natural tunnel. It's clear that not very many people walk this. Very few footprints. The grass is overgrown through that little pathway. Yeah. Let's keep going. I'm gonna guess that this was Captain Jack's last stand. What a view.
I love coming to the obscure natural history type of places because, well, and ancient history type of places because there's usually nobody here.
Well, guys, if you made it this far through the video, I totally appreciate you, and I thank you. For real, you just watched the whole video. Yeah, this is going to be my standard end screen for a little bit. Like buttons, ding bells, subscribe hits. Yeah, because I know you probably aren't subscribed to me. So, yeah, hit the button, see what else I get up to. Yeah, all right, guys. Till the next time. I don't know. Maybe that one's me and that one's what YouTube thinks you should see. Bye.